In today's video, we're going to learn how to add page numbers to a Microsoft Word document. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump right in. To add a page number into Microsoft Word, you're first going to select the Insert button, followed by Page Number. And then at the top of the page or the bottom of the page, you can choose where to add in your page numbers. In this example, I'm going to select Bottom of Page, Accent Bar 2, and that will place this footer content at the bottom of my page. This is ideal for creating accessible documents because when the page number is in the footer or the header, it is automatically skipped by a screen reader, allowing the user a better experience when reading content that spans 2 pages. Now, if you wanted to edit this page number, you could simply double click inside of the footer section and you can adjust the content that's in there. That concludes today's video on how to add page numbers into Microsoft Word. If you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, take a look at the link in the description of this video. And as always, I could be your personal accessibility expert. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time.